Welcome to Select Rider Race.
Welcome to Select Rider Race. Mosites Motorsports. We're going to do a quick on little pass through. Carbon truck, Sean. A bunch of beautiful motorcycles lined up. They have the H2 carbon here, which I will post a video of. Gorgeous bike, 2016 model. I'm going to do a quick pass through. See some of these motorcycles on the quick walkway. Stop and see my old trade-in from down the way. My old CBR 1000 R. Bike a little over 5,700 miles. I stop and thank Troy for all the help and get on out of here. Hey man, I appreciate all the help. I'll talk to you soon. Yeah, man. Troy at wonderful Mosites Motorsports. We are leaving now to get on the beautiful Ninja H2 600-mile review. Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
The Ninja H2r. Not just an H2. Full carbon and winglets.
Let me back it up.
Mosites Motorsports. Garage and detail bay. Wow.
Beautiful Ninja H2. OEM Kawasaki frame sliders. Rear fender eliminator. This bike is a beast. So far, all I can tell you is this bike is absolutely amazing. I mean, everything about it. If you haven't ridden one, sit back.
Cold start.